Taking a look at Tesla here today, current price is $249.50, up about 8% today. If we zoom in here on the 4-hourly chart, I'm going to go ahead and go over with the short-term price target as well as long-term price target. I know a lot of people are waiting for Tesla stock to drop below 200 to enter. In my opinion, I think that's very stupid. I don't think timing the bottom is a good idea. I think it's better to have a preferable price range based off of Fibonacci retracement, support levels, or resistance levels to find an entry or exit, right? I think just hoping for this to drop down to 180 is a really, in my opinion, dumb idea. I think between 272 and 213 are a great price to be entering, right? I'm not looking for the bottom. I'm just looking for a preferable price range based off of supports and resistances, right? We broke below 272. We fell down all the way to 213, a low of 215 here. So $2, probably $1.50 difference, right? So I already established the support ahead of time. Between 272 and 213 is a good price to enter, right? If I'm looking to even swing trade this or play long term, now is the time, in my opinion, to be buying, right? This isn't financial advice. It's just what I'm personally doing. 272, 213, price of entry. What am I looking for? In the short term, right? We're about to test the middle Bollinger Band here, which is short-term resistance at 252, just a couple of dollars away, right? Even today, we had a high of 251.84, and like I mentioned, 252 there is going to be the short-term resistance. We are going to break above it during this or next week, and what I would want to keep an eye out for is a bull run towards the upper Bollinger Band. That is at 290 on the 4-hourly chart. Let's go ahead and measure our current move here to about 290 on the 4-hourly chart. That is going to be about a 15% move from our current price, right? If you entered anywhere down here, if you hypothetically got the bottom of 215, that's a 34% move back up towards the top side. If you entered here, right, that's a 15 to 16% move towards the top side, towards 290. What happens after 290? I do think we get a overall reversal back up towards 313, 355, 406, which is going to be about a 63% run from our current price. And if we zoom out to the daily chart, the upper Bollinger Band on the daily chart is going to be at right around 431. That's a 73% move. And do I think 488 is going to be tested? I'm not saying it's going to be tested exactly like next week or this month or anytime during this next few months here. I do believe 488 is going to be tested long term. And so if I'm playing this long term, that's going to be about a 96% move towards the top side from our current price right now. If you're worried for a pullback, in my personal opinion, I don't think we break below 213. The potential downside back down to 215 or even 213 is going to be about a 15% drop. Now I'm keeping that in mind because if we reject 252, I'll be dollar cost averaging on the way down, and long term, as I mentioned, I'm looking for 488. And again, if you're looking to swing trade this just for a short-term position, there is a potential bull run here towards the upper Bollinger Band on the 4-hourly chart. And like I said, that's a 16% move, okay? I'm not trying to tell anyone to buy, sell, or hold, but personally, I am buying this dip. I think this is a really good dip opportunity between 272 and 213 if looking to go long-term into Tesla stock. I think this has been extremely oversold. I would watch for a move towards 488, and I don't think we're going to get a test towards 180. A lot of people are looking for that pullback towards 180, and I don't think that's possible. It's not impossible, but personally, I don't think 180 is anywhere in sight. If you haven't yet, join our Discord, link down below in the description. We have over 32,000 members, and it's free to join. We do have a Tesla chat discussion section there if you guys want to chat in there, ask questions, share due diligence. If you want our live entries and exits, we did call out Tesla before ahead of time. Our entry between 170 and 180 got to a high of 488 there, and then now back down to where we are at currently, 250. Okay, low of 215, now at 250. I'm telling you right now, in my personal opinion, this stock is going to be set back up to 488. And again, I'm going to be patient for it. I know a swing trade here could be possible towards 290, but long term, I do believe 488 here is going to be retested. Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you guys think down below. But like I said, if you want our live entries and exits, join our Patreon. Link down below in the description. Live entries and exits on stocks and options from 20 analysts, not just me, 20 analysts total. You can join our Patreon for a permanent 90% off discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Thanks for watching, and We'll see you in the next video for Tesla stock.